Have you ever pondered the true power of a programming language in the realm of artificial intelligence? How is it that these coded constructs help in molding the intricate systems of AI? Well, today we dive into the fascinating world of programming languages used in AI, examining their roles, their strengths, and how they shape the future of technology. Imagine a world where Python, Java, and Lisp are not just mere names of snakes, coffee, or a speech impediment. In the universe of artificial intelligence, these are the building blocks that help create intelligent systems. Python, with its simplicity and vast array of libraries such as TensorFlow and Keras, has been the go-to language for many AI enthusiasts. It's like the friendly neighborhood superhero of programming languages, always ready to lend a helping hand. On the other hand, Java, with its strong static type system and wide usage in large organizations, provides a robust and reliable option for AI development. It's that sturdy, dependable friend you can always count on when things get tough. Now, let's not forget about Lisp. Known as one of the oldest high-level programming languages, Lisp has a unique feature set that makes it ideal for AI development, such as its capacity for symbolic expression. It's like the wise old sage, providing wisdom and guidance from its years of experience. But the world of AI programming doesn't stop there. Languages like Prolog, with its emphasis on logic, and R, with its focus on statistical and graphical techniques, have also carved out their own niches. They're the specialists, the experts called upon when a unique challenge arises. Yet in the midst of these differences, there are commonalities. All these languages are tools in the hands of developers, used to create, innovate, and push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. They all play a role in shaping the AI landscape, from creating intelligent virtual assistants to developing advanced predictive models. So what have we learned today? The world of AI programming is vast and diverse, with each language offering its own set of strengths and specialties. Python brings simplicity and versatility to the table, while Java offers robustness and reliability. Lisp, with its rich history, provides unique capabilities for symbolic expression, while Prolog and R offer specialized skills for logic and statistical analysis, respectively. But remember, the power of these languages isn't just in their individual strengths. It's in how they're used to innovate, to create new tools and solutions, and to push the boundaries of AI. They're the unsung heroes of the tech world, quietly shaping the future one line of code at a time. And so, the next time you hear about a new AI innovation, take a moment to appreciate the programming languages behind it. After all, they're the true architects of the future.